In this tutorial, we will guide you through the steps to transfer USDT from one Binance account to another in just a few steps. Launch the Binance app and go to the home page. At the bottom right corner, tap on Wallet to access the wallet. Go to the funding section. You will see the Pay button. Click on it. Proceed with Send USDT. Here several options will appear, including Send, Receive, and tap on the Send button to continue. You will have the option to enter recipient's phone number or Binance ID. Obtain the correct information from the receiver. For this example, we will use an email. After entering the email, click on Continue. Now enter the amount of USDT sent. For instance, if you want to send 27 USDT, type in. Once entered, click on Continue. Review the including the receiver's email. You can send a screenshot to the recipient confirmation per. Choose the wallet USDT to be sent, like funding wallet. Ensure the correct wallet is selected and click for. Binance will prompt you to verify the transaction to two-factor authentication. Enter the necessary verification. After verification, tap Continue. You will receive a notification that payment success. The recipient will receive the USDT almost instantly. That is how you can easily send USDT from one Binance account to another. Just steps.